Hi, hello, good evening, friends. This is Rajesh Mutiala. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rajesh Mutiala Official. In this video, we will see how to use VLOOKUP command in MS Excel. Okay, so basically, there are beautiful commands available in MS Excel so that we can work on the data very easily. In fact, we can write a mini programs also using this Excel sheet. So data validations and data management and specific reports, customized reports, customized inputs and customized outputs, such as many logical operations we can perform in MS Excel. As a part of that, today I'm going to show you how to use VLOOKUP table. Now, for the sake of example, I have taken one Excel file. So you can see on the screen. So this Excel file is consisting two sheets, sheet 1 and sheet 2. So sheet 1 is marked as yellow and sheet 2 is marked as blue. Now in sheet 1, if you observe, so this is the data available. So wherein we have 3 columns and 11 rows, and headings are serial number, subject name and P code. Now if you observe carefully, so there is a data available on the first column to the serial number index, and there is a data available in the second column to the index subject name, but there is no data available in the third column to the index P code. Now if you observe the data available in sheet 2, whatever the serial number, first column data as well as second column data are same both in sheet 1 and sheet 2, whereas in sheet 2 there is some additional information, that is P code, is given against to each subject. Now my motto or my aim is to bring the P code value of each and every subject from sheet 2 to sheet 1. So for this I'm gonna use VLOOKUP command. I'm not saying that VLOOKUP is very new to everyone. I know that many of you have known, but still if anyone wants to apply easily, then I think this will help you in appropriate time. So please kindly follow the uh, command that I am using here, or the movements of the cursor and the text that I am going to write on the screen. So if you want to use VLOOKUP table, simply what I told you here, I have to bring the data. So I am just making it as a yellow color. So in these 11 cells, I need to fill the data. This data is available on the sheet 2. Okay. Now, since I want the data here, wherever you want the data, please click on the cell. Now you type equal, and simply, if you don't know the command also, there is no problem. Simply you start writing VLO. That's it. Just simply when you type V and L, the system will prompt you to use the command. Okay, so it is a what we call automated one, so that it can easily identify the command and can give you the suggestion. So simply you can click on that VLOOKUP. Now I clicked on that command, whatever it was shown on the screen. Now you can see the syntax of the VLOOKUP. Okay. Now what is syntax here? First one is lookup value. Second one is table array. Third one is column index number. And the last one is range lookup. Now I'll explain one by one. What is lookup value? Okay. Now what I told you, I want to get the P code value of subject from sheet 2 to sheet 1. That means I want to what we call match the P code with the subject. So therefore, this subject name is my lookup value. Why? Because how to identify the P code? There the P code is matched with, mapped with the subject. So suppose let us take the first one, advanced English. So I want to get the P code value of advanced English from the sheet 2 to sheet 1. That means my pickup value is advanced English because I have to search where advanced English is available. I have to search where advanced English is available in sheet 2. Now whenever I find the advanced English subject name, then against that I need to get the P code value. So my pickup value is nothing but advanced English. Okay. Of course, in Excel, generally we use the position value. So advanced English is available in B2 cell. Okay. So now look at the syntax. It is lookup value I have already taken, then comma. So this is over. Now table array. What is table array? Where I have to see, where I have to search this advanced English. So I have to search in sheet 2. So go to sheet 2. Now here I need to take the array, table array. Now this is your array. See, I have taken here. Look at the syntax here. Here, first B2 is pickup value, and then this is table array. What is table array? Sheet 2. Right now I am in sheet 2 because the table, subject name along with the P code are existing in sheet 2. So sheet 2 is my source. So sheet 2 of B and C. Why it is B and C? Because my lookup value is available on B column in sheet 2. That means my table array starts with the column B because my lookup value is in column B. Right. Now the array, end of the array, that is C. Here you can take D, E, anything also, no problem. But the data is available only up to C. So therefore, you can restrict your array only up to C. That means sheet 2 of B and C is my array. It is second step. First step is select the lookup value. Then select the table array. What is third step? The third step is you need to log this array. How to log this array? Simply select the array elements, array rows. Now here the rows are array columns. Here the columns are B and C. So select B and C only. Don't consider this apostrophe. Just take only B and C. Select B and C in the command bar. Then simply press F4. I'm pressing F4 on keyboard. Simply press F4. So once if you press F4, you will get this kind of thing. This is called fixed table. That means your array will not be changing. Whatever the value that you want to search, it will search only in B column as well as C column. That's it. Okay. Then as per the command, next one is table array is over. What is after fixing the array, that is third step. What is fourth step? Column index. What is called column index? I want to take the P code value from sheet 2 to sheet 1. Therefore, my column index is P code. I want to search P code with the value of subject name. So therefore, lookup value is subject name, and the target value. What is target means? Column index number. That is P code. Now here, it is asking what is column index number. So it is not asking directly what is the value. It is asking what is the number of the column index. Here the column index starts counting from table array. Where the table array is starting from B. That means B becomes 1. B column becomes 1. Then C column becomes 2. D column becomes 3. E column becomes 4 and so on. So therefore, my table array column index numbers are 1 and 2. 1 is nothing but B and 2 is nothing but C. So now what I want to get, actually I want to get the P code value. So therefore P code value is in column index number 2. So simply you can type 2, then comma. And finally the fifth step is, it is asking C. There are two options available. One is true, other one is false. What is true means approximate match, and what is false means exact match. So we just wanted to have exact match but not the approximate match. Okay, we are not dealing with floating values, or we are not dealing with percentages, or we are not dealing with semantics. So therefore we require exact match. So simply I am selecting false only. So once after selecting false, just close the braces, press enter. Now see, immediately I came from sheet 2 to sheet 1. I came from sheet 2 to sheet 1. So I got advanced English P code value as 12,001. It is in sheet 2. See here. It is in sheet 2. Now similarly I want remaining things also. Simply what you do, just drag them to down. That's it. So whenever I drag this from here to here, I got all the values. Okay, you can simply cross check it. Advanced English is having 12,001. Advanced English is having 12,001. Engineering Mathematics is having 12,002. And in sheet 2 also, Engineering Mathematics is having 12,000. Similarly, you can see last one, Advanced Pornography is 12,007. And here also, Advanced Pornography 12,000. So that means whatever the value, that is P code value assigned against the subject name in sheet 2 has been brought to the sheet 1. So this is an example only. Like this, you can use VLOOKUP table on huge data, bulk data. There is no problem. Simply it will work exactly and perfectly. So it is a best one, best command in MS Excel to work on the data, wherein you want to compare or wherein you want to club different datas or different kinds of datas available on different places. Like this, you can also take from one Excel to another Excel. So here actually we are dealing, or we are transferring the data from one sheet to another sheet, but simply using these commands you can also shift the data from one Excel file to another Excel file also. That is also possible. So that is the beauty of this command available in MS Excel. So similarly we have many commands also. So whenever yeah, the time comes, I'll try to introduce the remaining comments also. Once again I'm telling you, it is I'm not explaining about this command as if like you don't know, but still if anyone wants to practice this or wants to use this, and for such kind of people I think this may help very perfectly. uh, so if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel. So as I told you in the last session, so my channel is of many or heterogeneous posts. It consists of many varieties of videos. So please go through them, like them, share it, subscribe to them, and please share the channel to your known contacts and support the channel. Okay, and I wish you all the very success to everyone. Similarly, you also wish me good luck. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.